All right. Thank you very much, Sunday, for reminding me. All right, so we are in day 3, and we are going to be practical today. How to set up your MT4, how to open an account, and how you can actually trade using your MT4. All right. Now, I wanted to confirm those that don't have MT4 or that try to download the MT4 and you have a challenge. You want to find out if people that are using Huawei are the ones that are having this problem. That phone, I understand some people have that phone and they couldn't. Is it just, I just want to confirm. Oh, Gioni 2. I don't think it is the phone then. If I have 2 phones having that complaint, it must be you that have a challenge. Who else has a challenge? Samsung. Now let's leave that area. Now I know it is not a challenge. I know it is not. Emmanuel, don't worry. It can be. What it means is that you have. So tonight we are going to start by learning how to open your demo account. Let me open, and we're going to go straight. We're going to go straight right now. What we want to do is how to open a demo account. So the first thing is to install your MT4. To install your MT4. Let me see if I'm going to share from my phone. I want to do it from my phone. We will do, if there is time, we will see how we can do it from the laptop as well. But because many of us are going to be trading right now on our phone, let me show you how it is done. If I'm too fast, don't worry, you can always listen to the audio, the video again. Let me share my screen, and then we will go to see how this is done. Now, what do you do if you want to have MT4 on your phone? You are going to download it from Play Store. So from my phone, I have Play Store somewhere down there, and I'm going to click on Play Store. Okay, I'm clicking on Play Store. I'm going to search for Metatrader4. Metatrader4. Please be careful with the spelling. You can see that as I'm typing, because I've done this severally, the name came up. There's Metatrader5. That is not what you want. Okay? That is not what you want. It is Metatrader4, not Metatrader5. There is Metatrader5, so don't ask that question again. It is an advanced one for Metatrader4, but most of us are still using Metatrader4, okay? And not just in Nigeria, worldwide as well. So I'm clicking on Metatrader4 from my phone. Well, if you have Play Store on your phone, you should be able to do this, okay? Then, for my phone, it says open, but it's because I already have it installed. But for some of you, you have not had it on your phone. What you will see there is install instead of open. Okay, you will see. So you see open at the top right there. You will see install. If you click install, it will then download. The process for download will start on your phone. Depending on your network, wherever you are, and make sure that you have space on your phone. Some of you, your phone, you have loaded so much videos and some apps that are not giving you anything. You may need to create space for your phone so that it can allow that MT4 to land. Okay? If you have a challenge, the 2 areas you have a challenge will be that you don't have space or your network is bad. If you don't have those challenges, the MT4 will download, then it will tell you, it will not get to this level, open. Once you open MT4, it will go to open an MT4 for you. I have one already. That is why it is opening right now. I have one MT4, and so it is already opened. Your own will open like this as well. The way you are seeing this is what you will see. This is what you are going to see on your phone, okay? It might not come out exactly this way because I had done certain things on my phone. Let me just quickly take it out. Sorry. Let me go to that place and just uncheck so that okay, it's going to come out like this. Okay, it's going to come out like this. It depends on, I think there are about 10, it will come out with about 10 items. So this is what you are going to see. This means that you have MT4 on your phone. The next thing you want to do is for you to open an account. You want to open an account with a broker. Okay, now I'm going to use Infinix Capital. Not Infinix, Infinix Capital. Okay, is a broker that we are using right now. Okay, how do you open an account with a broker? How do you open? It's very simple. You are going to do it from here as well. You are going to be doing it from where we are right now. So what do? You go to that top left corner where you see quotes and that 3 bars there. Okay, I click on those 3 bars, then you will see something like this showing manage accounts. Manage accounts. You can see it at the top there. I click on manage accounts. Because I have several other accounts, you open all my accounts. There are a lot of accounts there, okay? But you open all my accounts. Now, let's assume I don't have any. What will happen is I will click. In fact, what will happen to you is that for you that you have opened, what you will see is an account. I deleted it. It's something that has is the default account. The default account that will be open for you. But don't bother with that one. That is not what you want. What you do now is you click on the plus sign at the top there, that plus sign. I click on it. It shows me open a demo account or log into an existing account. If I have an account that has opened, that I have opened with a broker before, I can just come here and put in, type in the name of the broker, and then I'll put in the details of the account I opened before. If I don't have an account before, like many of you may not have, what do? Let's say we start with opening a demo account. A demo account is just an account for you to practice with, okay? Or for you to practice with. So you want to open a demo account, you click on open a demo account, and it comes to find a broker, okay? Now, whatever broker you choose to find, just type their names there, it will come up. Whatever broker. Now, because we are using Infinix, I'm going to type in Infinix, and it's showing me, sorry, is not Infinix, sorry. Okay, it's showing me the demo account of Infinix, the 2 demo accounts of Infinix. Okay, I will recommend that you choose the first one, the demo BHS. Okay, I click on that, and it will ask me for my personal information and account information. Now, it's filled already for me. Ordinarily, if you have not opened before, what you will find there is just few items. You might have to type in your own name. I put my business name there. Your phone number, you type it in. You put in your email. Then down here at the account information, what you have are default information already put in there for you. So what you do is that you change it to fit into your own account requirement. The first thing says account type. If you click on it, what are the different account types you have there? You have the FX, STP, USD, FX, XCP, Euro, FXCP, GBP. Then you have FX, ECN, USD, FXCN. So for this purpose, I will say just choose the first one, FX, XCP. That is the standard account with USD as the base currency. You are going to be trading in dollar, so don't choose GBP or Euro. The next thing is you want to choose the leverage. Yesterday, I told you about leverage. This is where you set your leverage for your account. Okay? Leverage, we will still talk about it today. Leverage is the expected credits that you want from your broker. So if you say 1 to 200, like we normally choose, it's me for my for every capital I put in my account, they will multiply it by 200. That's the available volume of trading that I can do on the account with my capital. Then let's now choose deposit. Don't use this 1 million that you have there, okay? That's too much. Use the smallest one. Just click on it. Go and pick the smallest one, which is $3,000. Right now, click the $3,000, okay? And then, once you're done, you just create account. You see down there, create account. Boom. The account has been done. Now, what you need to do is you need to write down these details you have here. Write it down. The name of the account, your own name will show. The STP account type will show. You don't need to write all those ones, but just make sure you log in. You write down the login details there and the password that has been given to you. The login details, my own is 10000585526, and my password is small letter BQK6, small letter JOY. All right, that is what you need to keep somewhere, because anytime either you want to open it on another platform, another phone, or your laptop, just put in these details, and the same demo account that you have opened is what you'll be seeing on any other platform that you choose to open. Once I click done, the account is opening for me. It is opened. See what I mean? This is what your account. But what happened is that you have limited accounts, items. What you are seeing right now is what we call the Market Watch page. The Market Watch page. Okay? And it's telling you all the items that you can trade. This is not everything. This is not everything. If you want more, let me quickly show you. If you want to have more of this, what do? Click on that plus you see at the top there. You can see that plus, click on it, and then it takes you to a place where you can add additional symbols. So if I go to Forex video, there are still items there. You see what came up? AUD USD, Euro USD. All this one were not there right now. So if I click on it there, it's going to show up there. So what do? Just click on everything there. As I'm clicking, it's disappearing and it's going there. I have done Forex major now. I go to Forex again. You can see more there. I click on everything. As I'm clicking, it's going to my page. It's going there. If I go back to that page now to show you, if I go back to that page, you will see more. You see now? All those ones that I click now, they have come to this page. They have all come to this page. And you can have more. Let me see what we have done. If you want to trade in oil, you can choose it. You have this oil. If you want to trade in commodities, see commodities. You can choose cocoa, coffee, copper, cotton, gas, soya beans, sugar, wheat, whatever that you want to choose. As I'm clicking, it is going to my Market Watch page. You can see it down there. Okay? That is how your account is open for you. Whatever the broker is trading, you can bring it to the front here for you to trade. And then how you trade, we'll talk about that one shortly. How you trade, you can talk about that. The next thing that I want to quickly tell you, because most of the time you are going to discover so many things about your MT4 yourself. There are limited things that we can teach you. Of course, you will continue to learn every day as you work with your MT4. You continue to work every day. So what do? Down there, you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 icon at the bottom of that page. The first one is what gives you the Market Watch. The next one is where the chart is. The chart reading here, as you can see, is GBP USD. Okay, this chart, I've just expanded it. I can contract it also. Okay, with my hand on my phone, I can expand it the same way you expand picture. Okay, on your phone, just put your hand and expand, or put your hand and contract. You can see it. Or if I put it on landscape, if I put my phone on landscape, it can show me a wider screen. Okay, so that is what those things will do for you. There are a lot more. I'm just giving you the basics right now. There are a lot more. Okay. Just hold on. Uh-oh. All right, this is hanging. Let me see if I can just come out of this. Okay. Let me just come out of that. I hope you can see my, let me go to my, I don't know why this is hanging right now. Oh my. Okay, it's back. It's all right. Now, let's go back to the slide I have for you today, just to show you what we'll be doing, which we have started already. Today is one of those days that we talk, is a practical day, to show you how to use your MT4. All right. And the objective for today is for participants to understand how to do installation and register their MT4 on their smartphone, which we have just done. Understanding the features of the MT4 is what we were doing. We'll come back and do more shortly. We have learned how to add currencies, okay? And other items that we also still show you on the MT4, okay? And then, my screen is okay. We have talked about MT4. We have chosen a broker. We have put an account. We have done a live account. The next thing I want us to quickly understand is what we call the trade decision. And this decision could be in any way that you wanted it. In any way that you wanted it. Okay? This is one trading decision for someone. It says that it wants to, which currency pair are you going to be trading? Okay? Will you be trading during volatile market moves? When market is swinging, that is when you want to be like a fundamental trader. You are going to be trading on news. Or what are your trading goals? What is the thing? The decisions, when you want to trade, you want to know, you want to have a decision. Or what is the goal of your trading today? What is the target that you have for yourself? Is it to just make 20 pips, to make 30 pips? And once you achieve those things, you are going to come out of the market. You must set a goal for yourself every time. You can have a daily goal, weekly goal, monthly goal as well. And what you do, once you achieve it, don't try to do much than what you have planned. Once your goal is achieved, you can come out of the market. How much are you willing to risk per trade and in total? That is a decision. I mentioned some of these decisions to you yesterday, okay? How much are you willing to risk? You are going to use your lot size and your stop loss to determine the risk that you want to apply on your trading. How long will you hold on to your trade? If your trade is dragging for too long, do you want it to be there? Do you want your trade to cross to the next day? Do you want to leave your trade for more than a day or for a week? There's nothing wrong with doing those ones. We call those ones position traders. Okay? But there are some people we call intraday trader. That means they trade within a trading day, your own trading day. You start, you close by the end of the day. What time of the day are you going to be trading? It's a decision you have to take. All right. So all these things are what you need to have for yourself. If you are just starting, you might not know most of these things, and that is why it is important for you to learn. You have to read and you have to learn from people that have been doing it. But the decisions that I want you to know and for you to begin to practice right now are these ones I have put here. We mentioned it yesterday. I'm going to revise it with you today again. What are your trading decisions? When you want to trade, you have your MT4 right now already installed for you. You have opened an account with your broker. You have money in your MT4. You now want to trade. So what currency pair are you trading, or what commodity are you trading, or what is that item of your interest? Is it oil? Is it gold? Is it cryptocurrency? What is it that you want to trade? You have to know it. Okay? Then you want to know whether you are going to be buying or you're going to be selling. You must have done that analysis. And some of the things you will need in taking those analyses, let me quickly show you. These are the currency pairs, the major ones that you probably need. You know this already. The 8 major currencies are this one you have here: USD, GBP, JPY, CAD, AUD, CHF, NZD, and Euro. Okay? And of course, I told you are going to be trading in pairs. The next thing is your buy or sell decision. What will guide your buy or sell decision? Yesterday, we talked about buy low and sell high. When the market is low, is when to buy. When the price has come down, is the best time to buy. Okay? Because when the price comes down, what you expect that very soon the price is going to go up. That is the way market is. That is why market doesn't just go in a straight line up or a straight line down. It goes in a wave, up, down, okay? But when you know that it has gotten to a level that normally it doesn't get to this level every time. It gets to the level, it's going to go up. Then you can buy at that level. Sometimes also, if you are going to be selling, and remember, I told you in this business, you can sell before you buy. You can sell before you buy. And so you have to sell when price is high. Expecting that when price begin to go down, then you now buy to make a profit. I need you to be thinking as a trader. Don't think as a consumer. You will not understand what I'm talking about if you are thinking as a consumer. The same way, people used to envy us when you are in bank. They say, you people, you just have money around you every time. You know what it is for those people that are in those positions? Those money are just like trading tools for them. They don't see it as money anymore. So the same way when you are trading right now, whatever you are trading is now a tool for you. It is not for consumption. So when you are buying with the intention that you want to sell later. If you are selling now with the intention that you want to buy later to make a profit. So you buy low, you sell high. You buy at support, you sell at resistance. What is the support? Support is that level on the lower side of the trade. Whenever price is coming down, it touches, it goes up again. It comes down, it touches, it goes up again. That is what we call a support. It means anytime price is coming down, when it gets to that level, it bounces back again. A resistance is whenever price is going up, when it touches it at the top there, it comes down. It touches it, we call it a resistance. So resistance is like a ceiling and support is like a floor. It's like when you bounce a ball. If it touches the ball, the ground, it bounces up. It touches the ceiling, it bounces down, touches the floor. So at this resistance, what do? You sell. Whenever price reaches where you call it, you are the one that will identify the resistance, by the way. Or if you have tools to help you, like some of the tools that Mr. Popola was just telling you earlier on, it will tell you that right now price is at resistance. It will also show you the strength of that resistance. That this resistance is actually a powerful resistance that most time when price gets to this level, it reacts. Okay, so when you find something to tell you this is a floor, this is a resistance, it means when price gets to that area, what do? You play as I've just explained to you now. We also have trend. You have to buy or sell depending on the trend. When market is going up, what do? You sell, you buy. When price is going up, if you are a trader, you are dealing in computers, in laptops. That is what you are selling. And you are seeing that market price is always going up. Price is always going up. It might not go up in a straight line. It's going up, come down, go up, higher now, come down again, go up higher now again. It shows the market trend is up. What do you do in that market? You buy, because you know what you bought today, tomorrow the price is going to be higher than yesterday. So when you buy today, tomorrow the price has gone up, you can sell and make a profit. Also, in a downward trend, when prices is coming down, it means the price of yesterday is higher than the price of today. And the price of today is likely to be higher than the price of tomorrow. So what do you do when market is in a downward trend? You sell. Okay, so what I have just taught you is that your buy or sell decision can be helped if you understand these 4 things. Of course, there might be a lot more that will help you in that analysis. All right, so what do you do again? We said how to buy and sell. Those are the things that will guide you to buy or sell. They are at what price? Now, we talk about this. You can buy instantly. The current market price is okay for you. You take your trade, you fire, pound, and you are in the market. Or you buy what we call pending order, where you give your own price. This price, the price that you are seeing is not low enough. I don't want to buy at this price. If price can go further down, then I will buy. That is what we call buy limits. Okay? Or when you are selling, the price is high already. You should sell, but you believe that this price is not high enough. Market can still go higher than this high price. And what do? You go and set your own price at where you think you want to sell. So you are giving the market your own price. That is what we call pending orders. And the way it is what we call, this is what you see here. I don't want to explain this one because for probably many of us hearing for the first time, and I don't have, you need 10 minutes for me to teach you how this works. You can read this up at your own leisure time. You can type all these things that are available actually free type it in on the net. You can see this and just read it up. You understand. It's very easy to understand, I promise you. And then you have to put your stop loss. Remember yesterday we said stop loss is what we save you your capital. You will not lose too much at a time. The same way, we didn't talk about take profit yesterday, but take profit is the opposite of stop loss, where you set your own take profit. You are trading. You said that, if this trade goes lower by, let's say I'm buying, I'm expecting price to go up. But what if this price goes lower, begin to go lower, begin to go down? How long can I hold this trade? And let me tell you, you can enter into a trade. It doesn't mean that the moment you enter into that trade, the price will start going in your direction. No, it doesn't go like that. It goes up, down, up. Do I have anything to show? Oh my God. I know time is going. Don't worry. The most important thing is that you, let me see this. Okay, look at this. This is live right now. This is GBP USD. This is live. And what you are seeing here is a 15 minutes analysis. Look at what I talk about support. Look at something here. Let me pick this. Look at somewhere here. Look at this. This price comes here. What happens? Price is coming down. It gets here. It goes up. It comes down again. It gets to around that place again. It goes up. It comes down again. It gets to this place again. It goes up. Look at how long it took. It went up. It was there for a long time. When it gets to that, it's not really a straight line. It could be like a zone. Okay? It could be like a zone. So you can see that around here, around this area, is like a major what? Support. And then if you see also here, around here, or at the top here, you see that whenever price gets around there, what happened? It doesn't go beyond around here. Price is coming down every time it goes there. That is like a resistance. When you understand it, okay, now you will be able to take a decision. So this market from here to here is going down. But from here, it's going up. It doesn't go up in a straight line. You see, it goes up, come down, goes up, come down. But up to this area, it is an upward moving market. Now, suddenly, after a certain period, it's going down again. So you need to understand, to see this thing. You can view it, you can see it yourself, but there are also things that has been created to be able to help you, to tell you that this thing is reaching a resistance or a support level. And it tells you maybe it is the best time for you now to buy. It will give you, it won't force you to do it. It won't force you to do it. It's just telling you that this is a better zone to take this decision. For example, this particular person, if you have been following this, I should have taken a buy trade around there. But what happens is consolidating around there for a long time. It's been here for since around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Since around 4 o'clock in the afternoon, it's been dancing around there. So what does that mean is that I'm still hoping the market will still obey that support range. This is how what you'll be seeing on your MT4. If you are using a laptop, if you are using a phone, you can see it this way. It might not be as big as this, but you can see it this way as well. Okay, so what are we teaching? We are saying that you buy limits and sell limits. If this person is going to buy, let's say price is coming down, it gets to around here. Let's say this particular market it goes to around there. He's saying that when the market gets to around there, the last time market goes up. So let me come, and a lot of people say I can take a trade around here. Okay, you can enter instantly. But what happens? Beyond there, market still went further down. Now, some people believe that, look, no, this place is not good enough for me. He has not seen all this in front here, of course. But he said, this place, look, I believe the market will still go further before it goes up. And so you do a buy limit, and then when market comes down and take your trade, it will take you. Let me see if I have a graphical representation of that. Do I have it? Let me see. Just 1 second. Oh, good. I have this. My time is done. I'm going to round up shortly with a trade that we are going to take right now. Now, what I'm showing you right now is how to set your stop loss or your take profits. When you are buying, your stop loss will be below your entry price. Remember, when you are buying, what you expect is that you want price to go up. So you go and set your take profit up there. You can say, my take profit, I want to take, I'm okay. So you set your take profit at that level. And then, what if the market is going against you? The market goes to 20 pips. Let's say 20 pips represents, let's say 2% or 1% of your capital. If market gets to that level, please close this trade. That means you want to reassess the trade after that point. What will happen is that if the market gets to your stop loss first, your trade will stop. It will close automatically. Okay? The trade will close automatically. If it gets to your take profits first, your trade will also close automatically and drop your profit for you. If you close at the stop loss, it close and drop your loss for you. Okay. Also, if you are selling, your stop loss will be above your entry price. Why is it so? Because when you are selling, your expectation is that price should go down. Remember, you sell high, you buy low. So, but if price now begin to go higher than your entry level in a sell trade, that means it is a loss. So you set your stop loss at the top there. If market goes against, which can happen, I showed you this yesterday. If it goes against you, if it reaches that level you have determined, it will close the trade for you. Will you be angry? No. Because it means that you have saved yourself a lot. If you didn't put it there, it could have taken a lot more than you have planned for. That is what stop loss and take profit will do for you. I want to believe that someone is getting what we are doing here. If you are understanding what I have just explained, just type in 555. If you understand what I have just explained right now, type in 555. Awesome. Awesome. Okay. So up to this level, we understand it. Okay. Someone say, when will you start trading crypto? No, I won't trade crypto on this floor. The principle of that crypto is what we are also teaching here. Also, you have to understand. Someone says, not really. I understand some people might not get it the first time. What I will do for you is that you listen to this again. Okay, listen to this again, and then in the video, I'm sure you will get it. I'm sure you will get it. What we are also doing, I want to remind you is that, look, I'm doing this just to pique your interest. I cannot spend just 5 days and you will be a master in trading. It is not possible. What it will do for you is that it will pique your interest and you will want to know more. And that know more is why we have created that professional class. You might not be ready right now for that professional class. Anytime you are, there are people that were in this class in the month of May or in the month of April. They are just coming to the professional class when they were able to create the time or they can afford it. All right. So what do you want to do now? I want to just quickly show us how to take a trade on your phone. I will be a bit fast. So don't try and do it yourself as well. Just listen to me. You can do it at your own leisure on your phone. Let me quickly show you how this is done. Remember, what we have done before is that we have created our MT4 and we have opened an account already. Now, what do I want to trade? What trade do I want to take? Let me see. Let me pick currency. It's my area, so I'm biased there. Let me pick. Let me trade Euro USD. Euro USD. Listen to me. You can see Euro USD there. I click just for about 1 second, and then what came up is this drop down, new order, open charts. Okay. If I click new order, that means I am opening my trading account to take a trade. This is what you are going to see when you click new order. Now, where it is flashing there is where you will put your lot size. I taught you about lot size yesterday. Lot size is the bunch of the trade you are taking, the contract size of your trade. We said it could be micro, it could be mini, it could be standard. It could be 0.01 to 0.09, which is your micro, or 0.1 to 0.9, which is mini, or 1.0 to 10,000, which is standard lot size, okay? Now, I'm going to use 0.1. Don't use it. You don't have enough. Be using 0.01 or 0.02 for your own trade, okay? I want to use 0.1. And I'm assuming that, hey, what is happening to euro right now? I don't know. But let me just see. Let me go back. Let me go back. Let me see the charts on euro. Just for the sake. What is happening here? What is happening here? Let me see. This is 1 hour. Can someone tell me what is happening? What do you think is going to happen? For those of you that know how to trade, the market is coming down there. What do you think is going to happen? Type it in. What do you think? Is it a buy? Is it going to be buying or is it going to be selling? Okay, it means USD is stronger right now. That is why it's coming down. Awesome. Emmanuel, thank you very much. But what do you think we should do, Emmanuel? Should we be buying or should we sell? People say buy. People say buy. Some people are saying buying. Yeah. And some people are saying, Emmanuel say we should sell. Okay? Now, why Emmanuel say we should sell and why people say we should buy? They have seen here that when price got here, Okay, price has been resisting here. It's only once it came down and it was pulled back instantly for some time. This was I can't see from here, but price has been resisting around there. And so when price got here, it went up. Price is coming there again and it's not yet going back. So most likely price might go up again. That means you buy. But Emmanuel is looking at something else. Emmanuel is looking at something bigger. He's saying that he's looking at this range, that when price got to this range, here again, it came down. Maybe it's coming to test this level, down here. So it's supposed to be selling up to this level. That is what Emmanuel is saying. Hey, some of you, someone is telling me Fibo here. Oh my God, I have some experts in the house. All right, so let me say what I'm going to do. And I'm going to go with Emmanuel. Not because I believe it's good to say, not that. I just want to, I need to do further analysis if I want to take this decision. But let me just go with Emmanuel and say we are going to sell. So I click again, I go to sell my order. I have my lot size. You must set your lot size before you take a trade, okay? I want to sell instantly. So what do? If you look down there, you will see sell by market, okay? I click sell by market. The market has taken me in instantly. Wow, you see my trade has been opened for me. So euro right now, you can see that it's showing red. That means a loss. That loss you're seeing instantly is the commission that you are paying to your broker that has been taken instantly. Okay? Now, when the trade begin to go in your favor, that loss will now be covered gradually until the loss is covered totally before you will now begin to see profit. Okay? But it can also be going further down and down and down. That means going into a sell, to a buy. Now, so it will show that it is still going into a loss. So this is how your trade is taken. But remember, I have not put my stop loss or my take profits. So what do? I want to do what we call modification. And for those of you that are listening to me for the first time, don't get lost. Don't be surprised. I don't think it is difficult. It is the first time you are hearing it, so it makes it look as if, oh my God, do I need to remember all this? You will. I promise you, you will. Within 2 days of listening to this over and over again, you will understand it. So I click on my trade. I put my finger on that trade for 1 second for it to bring out this. It says close order. Do I want to close this order? If you want to close your trade, this is where you close it. If I click on close right now, it tells me down there, you see close order with a loss of $2. If I press that one, it will close this trade instantly. I don't want to close my trade, okay? That's what I want to modify. I believe this trade is still going to go into a sell. So I click on modify order. My stop loss, let's say I want to put a stop loss of 20 pips into this trade, okay? That means, we did a sell. That means our stop loss should be high, up there. So I'm going to add that 20 pips. I know you don't know how to calculate pips right now. Unfortunately, this is a beginner class. We don't have enough time to do that one, okay? But what you do is you add to it. I'm going to add that 20 pips to my entry price. My entry price is 1.12514. You can see that the top there. If I add my 20 pips to it, it's going to be 1.1271. Sorry. Oh my. 1.1271.
Hello, sir.
Hello, can you hear me?
Okay, we can hear now.
Okay, all right, awesome. So sorry about the network on one of the network. Well, on the laptop has gone, so I'm using the network on my phone right now. So you can see how that trading is done. You enter all those parameters and your trading is set, you can enter. Now, for many of us, because it looks, I've gone very fast, it looks as if, oh, is this what, it is as simple, you can do this thing that I've done in less than 1 minute, less than 1 minute. You will, once you have done your analysis, you want to enter a trade, you just take the currency palm, you choose what you want to buy or sell. If it is going to be a buy limit, you indicate the buy limit or sell limit or whatever you want to do. You have done your computation of, you can say that I didn't take calculator to calculate my stop loss. But if I'm going to start with you in the professional class, what I will do is that we will do calculation. I will ask you to bring out your calculator to do those things. But after some time, you yourself will not need a calculator. You can look at it and say just minus this, and you can compute it yourself. That is how trading is done. All right. Okay. I want to believe that value has been delivered. Okay, and we can move on from here. Wow, sorry that my laptop did not come up, but technically that is exactly what I want to present to you today. How to open your account, how to download your MT4, open account, and just show the basic thing on the MT4. Your MT4 will be your friend going forward. Open it, is a demo account. Don't be afraid that you can't damage it. If anything happens, shut it down, go and open another one. It is free. You can open as many as you want. It is free of charge. Make your mistakes on your MT4 demo account so that when you want to start trading with your own capital, you will have gained all the experience that you require. I want to thank you for your time tonight. Mr. Kokola, sorry that I've taken another 15 minutes. Let me close from here tonight. All right. Thank you very much, everybody.
All right, sir. Thank you very much, sir. It's been a great one. Always adding value. We really appreciate that, sir. Okay, so that we just wrap it up tonight. Please, tomorrow we are going to be having the Bishop of Pips. He's going to be teaching us some simple strategies for us to use to take trade without using any other things like that, just from your mobile phone. And then on Friday, by the grace of God, I'll be training you on something that how you will never ever lose money in your trade. What do you do that you will never ever lose money in your trading? Ladies and gentlemen, what we do, we show you what we do, we show you how we trade. Okay, let me just share this, let me share this screen with you. So, because at times people say, oh, the people teaching, are they really getting the kind of result? Let me just quickly share this one of our traders' results with you today. Let's see. Okay, I think I showed one on Monday, and this is another one, so that you know that people that are training you, I told you that people that will help you to succeed are people that are actually succeeding themselves. If somebody does not know what he's doing and is telling you, don't worry, I will teach you. We are going to be showing you how you can use this thing to trade. Look at the date. You can see 24th, right? 24th, 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 24th. All are today's trade, and a total of $416. Well, it might not be so much, but I think it's good for this economy. Is it a demo account? For those of you that have an idea about trading, if you do something like this, let me do like this. Can you see this? You will see that's real. We have real accounts, we have demo accounts. We have real accounts, we have demo accounts. So this is an account that this person here can just go today and say, I want to withdraw this money from my account. $416. Well, if I take a multiplier here, this 416 times 420, this is about 174,000 naira that is made today. Okay. If you use 420, I think average is about 420. Now, this is possible for everyone, but as much as possible, ladies and gentlemen, we don't just make you, why I'm showing you this is not to impress you, are you getting it? But to impress upon you that this thing is possible. It's not, it's a lie, people are not doing it. Who told you that people are not doing it? Some people are doing this thing. And you can do it also. You can do it also. Let's work with you. We work with you, you learn the ropes. Let me share something that one of our students, because I know time has gone, but let me share something with you on what one of our students is saying, or what we are doing with our students. Mr. Kule, I think is that option to allow. I'm trying to share this screen and it's not allowing me. Let me see. Wow. Where is
I'm not sharing anything right now.
I wanted to share my screen. Is saying that who's disabled.
You have to your screen co-host.
Let me see. Wow.
It's not sharing.
Okay, if it's not sharing, maybe you see it another time, because we have a platform where we work with our trainees. After you have gone through our advanced class, after the advanced class, we ask you to trade with the combo for a month. After that, based on what your result is, we will connect you with investors who are ready to trade $20,000, $30,000, $50,000, $100,000. Okay, sorry, please don't forget to talk about the investment plan. Okay, let me just quickly. So we do that. So by the time you trade, instead of you trading with this $200 account and this, we have investors that will give you good amount of money that you will be able to trade, and you'll be able to make 300,000, 400,000 naira in a month. You understand? So all these things, there are a lot of things we have, but you have to come, you have to prove yourself as somebody who is ready to build a serious career in trading. All right. So once again, for those people that want to be part of the advanced class, you can get in touch with us. Let's get you registered. As I said, limited space for that. Then for the investment account, as somebody said again here, what the investment account is all about is that what you do with the investment account is that you fund, we're going to, I think we find some time on Friday for those of you that want to even open the live account. Although we send those videos, you fund your live account. We will show you how to open a live account with our brokers. So once you open the live account with the brokers, you deposit your money you deposit your money with the broker. Once the money is deposited, we will connect your account with our own traders account, such that as our traders are trading, automatically your own account will be traded. It is free. We don't charge money for it. You just connect with us and we trade. Then what is it in it? What is in it for you people? Is it just you people are making money for everybody like that? Well, we are making money for everybody, but we do what we call profit sharing. Anytime there's a profit, when we trade and make profit, when we share the profit, ratio 60 to 40. 60%, well, maybe let's say you have $1,000, we traded and we made $100 in a month. So out of the $100, you, the owner of the fund, you will have 60%, while the trader that traded that fund is going to have 40%. So 60-40. But to join, does it cost you anything? No, nothing. And the beautiful thing is this: you have 100% control of your fund. When I say 100% control, you can see it. You can log in. You know, some investment, they say, pay your money to this. When you pay your money, anything that is happening, you don't know. And after some time, they tell you stories that touch the heart. But this one, don't worry, you'll be watching it. If it is going, if you like the trade, you leave it. No, this loss is not good, I can't take it. You can stop it yourself. You can limit it. And I promise you something, there is no way you can lose your account with our traders. Remember, we'll be trading on a money management strategy. Then for those of you who want to get the combo, some people are asking me that can they get the combo and be trading themselves? My advice for you, please, if I can, short to say beg you. No, I don't want to begging you. You getting the combo is not for my own good. It's more for you. So what I want to encourage you to do, because we get this thing from international, you just get that combo. Begin to practice with it. Begin to practice with it. Use 1 month on your demo account. Practice with it and see that if I put in 1,000, how can I do this combo that they are talking about? This thing that is showing me buy, is showing me sell. Let me use it. Is a tool. See, if you go learn what they call this thing, fashion designing. If after learning, won't you buy machine for you to be sewing? That is the tool. If you go and learn any skill, if you go and learn website design, you will buy laptop. You can't finish learning Forex and say you are not getting a tool. You may not be able to trade Forex properly or any of those things as I showed you yesterday. Thank God we took a trade together. Those of you that were here, we took a trade together yesterday. And how many of you, everybody that took it said they went in profit. Till now, if you are still in that trade, you should have made massive profit just because I saw the arrow. The arrow just pointed, sell, and we sold. No analysis that led to any paralysis. So, ladies and gentlemen, I implore you, get the combo. Get the combo. If you have to go and get something, just do whatever you can. Get it and begin to practice with it. I give you 2 months. I give you 2 months. Your story will be different. By the grace of God. Provided you follow the instruction. Let me always put that. Provided you follow the instruction. All our students, I wanted to share the screen, but this thing is not allowing me to share screen. I will try to get whatever happened on this, that the host cannot share something. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, please try as much as possible. If you can, attend, put yourself, get registered for the advanced class. That advanced class, the value is tremendous. Okay, let me see. I think I can share from my mobile. Let me share from my mobile phone. Let me share from my mobile phone so that you will just see what this stuff is all about. Ladies and gentlemen, what we are doing, God is helping us. So it's not, okay. All right, let me show you the results of this particular. Sorry, let me stop this recording. We finished. Sir, you can stop the recording, sir. I forgot.
Okay.
You can stop the recording. Okay, let me share this.
Oh, man.